HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us calculate a mean when replacing a score. Here is an example problem when we change one score. The original mean is 9.8 and there are 10 scores. A score of 8 is changed to an 11. What is the new mean? Here is our equation to replace one score. Let's substitute the values from our problem. The original mean is 9.8 and the original n is 10. These are multiplied together to get the original sum of scores. The score that will be deleted is 8, so we subtract 8. The score that will be added is 11, so we add 11. We divided the new sum by the original n, because we still have n scores. N equals 10, so let's substitute 10 for n. Let's simplify the multiplication of the old mean by n. 9.8 multiplied by 10 is 98. Let's do some algebra and simplify the numerator. 98 minus 8 plus 11 is 101. We divide the new sum of 101 by 10 to get 10.1. 10.1 is the new mean. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.